How we doing this evening, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, and got some exciting news. Nothing on the charger yet, unfortunately. Hopefully it's not going to be too much longer for the charger or any news on that. So we are going to go ahead and keep moving forwards with some interesting things. Which brings me to today's topic of today's video, which is, yes, upside down. We're doing an unboxing of these bad boys. And we will also be doing a small install video. Not small, we'll show you the whole step. I might even do another one because these headers should have come with header wrap. So we will see what all we get into and what all we try to fit into different videos. But we have more parts coming for the Subaru. Thank you. We might even be sitting down and ordering some more parts for it tonight. We don't know yet, but we'll cross that bridge when we get to it. So, as you can see here, I did not even open this one yet. No sneak peeks for me this time. So, we're gonna be finding out what this bad boy looks like together. I just got home from work. It came while I was at work. So, this is actually my first opportunity to actually look at the headers, open the box, and check it out myself. So, what we will do is we're gonna see what these bad boys look like together. For once, I know we did a lot of unboxing of parts on this channel, but we never actually did one together. We're doing this one together, so let's see what lies inside of the box. All right, I had to put you down for just 1 minute, so I opened the box. So let's take a look and see what's inside this thing. All right, so looks like instructions. Looks like it's a lot of it is in Japanese. There are English, but I don't need those anyway. All of our nuts, bolts, gaskets. Let's see what's in this here. Oh, bet you this, because these Tomeis come with exactly what I thought it was. All right, let's pull this baby out. Set the box down right there like that. So it's a pretty good looking clean. Welds are looking good. I know I did say that I was going to go ahead and I was going to do an external wastegate setup. The deal on these headers, it was really good. It was $750.50. So $750.50 is the price that it was on the website. So that's what we paid. And you know, it came with an up pipe, so I'm not complaining. So we're just gonna throw the headers with this up pipe that came on with it on the car. And we'll get the external wastegate set up and the new up pipe when we get a little bit bigger of a turbo. Spoiler alert, we are going to be getting a bigger turbo at some point in the game. Don't know how far down the road, but before it's all said and done, we'll get a bigger turbo on there. So, the part that we've all been waiting for patiently. Let's see what these blah boys look like. I'm excited. Let me slide these johns up here. All right, let me grab this out of the box too. I bet you that's my header wrap. Let me lay the box down. Sorry for the bad angles. But here we are. We have our equal length headers. Yes, we went with equal length headers. Didn't want to go with unequal length headers. Oh yeah. Look at that. Got all the bungs. Our Tomei badge there. Whew! These son of a guns look nice. For the price of these, I mean, if you anybody who knows Subaru parts and looks up Subaru parts knows that Killer B headers are like, just for this part alone, is $1,500 plus. I spent $750, got the runners and an up pipe with it. So I'm excited to see how it all turns out. So there's this one little box that I did not look in yet, and it's exactly what I thought it was. We have our zip ties or our tie downs for them, and we also have our header wrap. So we will wrap these bad boys to take care of heat soak of any sort, just so they don't get torn up, you know, too hot, melt shit. You don't want that to happen. So we are moving in an awesome upward direction with this vehicle build, and I could not be any more stoked. But anyway, I don't want to ramble jamble. I don't want to make the video too long on a bunch of nonsense. It was just an unboxing. We're going to wrap the headers, put the headers on, and it is going to be so much fun. The car is going to sound great. I can't wait to hear what it sounds like with the headers on. So we have more project time coming up on the channel, and I'm super excited about it. So we won't bore you too much more today. So we are going to go ahead, put some time aside for when we start working on the Subaru with the header install. We'll get all that good stuff on film for you and show you, you know, what kind of fun it is to put headers on a 2015 STI. All right, so with that being said, we're going to go and have some fun with this, prep some things, get some things on schedule. Hope y'all are enjoying the content. I'm super excited to be back in action with the camera. So hope y'all are enjoying. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And yes, there will be much more coming. So enjoy the rest of your night. We'll catch you later.